Dear friends, in class 7, we have fourth lesson, simple equation, and exercise 4.1, we have third question. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. Now, we are given the equation 4p plus 2 is equal to 17 and we have to solve. Means we have to find the solution of this equation by trial and error method. Trial and error method means we have to put certain value and check whether it is a solution or not. See, let us see. Now, we don't know what is the solution of this. So, what we will do? We will start whether p, we will check whether p is equal to 0 is the solution or not. So, if p is equal to 0, let us see, consider LHS. We already know how to solve. Consider LHS. In this LHS, put p is equal to, any number. We have to put any number which we feel that it could be the answer. So here, if we put p is equal to 1, we will get LHS is equal to 5p, that is 5 into 1 plus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 2, 5 on the 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Please note here, LHS is 7 and RHS is 17. So LHS is not equal to RHS. It means we can say that p is equal to 1 is not a solution. Therefore, p is equal to 1 is not a solution, of given equation. Now we have tried one value. This is trial and error method. Now we have tried one value and we have got the error. Means we have got that LHS is not equal to RHS. That is what is we have got a error, means it is wrong. Hence we have to take some other value. So put p is equal to 2 in LHS. Let us check now whether 2 is the solution of the given equation or not. For this, we will again put p is equal to 2, so we will get LHS is equal to 5p. 5p plus 2 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2. That is equal to, please note, we have to solve the multiplication first and not the addition. According to board mass, brackets must be solved first. Then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So here we will get 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. Again please note, here LHS is not equal to RHS. So RHS is 17 and LHS is 12. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. That is, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence this value is not the solution. For equation, both the expression must have equal values. So we can say that p is equal to 2. Therefore, p is equal to 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Given equation is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Thus, we have got p is equal to 1 is also not solution. P equal to 2 is also not solution. Now, let us try some other number. Because this method is called trial and error, we have to go on trying the different numbers. Here 1 is not solution, 2 is not solution. Let us try whether 3 is a solution. So for this, put p is equal to 3 in LHS. So LHS is, left hand side is equal to 5p plus 2 becomes 5 into 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 2, that is equal to 17. Please note here, right hand side is also 17. So here left hand side is equal to our right hand side. So I have got left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, therefore, I can say that p is equal to 3 is a solution of 5p plus 2 is equal to 17 of the given equation. Thus, we have to try different values and somewhere we are going to get the solution. When we get the solution, this method is called as trial and error method. Dear friends, in exercise 4.1, third question is solve the following equation by trial and error method, and we are given the second question, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So for this, by trial and error method, we will take m is equal to different values and check whether it is a solution or not. So for this, first let us take m is equal to 1. So if you take m is equal to 1, put m is equal to 1 in LHS of given equation. So we will get LHS is left hand side is equal to 3m minus 14. In this, if you put m is equal to 1, you will get 3 into 1 minus 14. So this is equal to 3 minus 14, that is equal to negative 11. Please note, LHS is negative 11 and RHS is 4. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, m is equal to 1 is not a solution. Is not a solution of given equation. Now we have got one. We have tried one value. And we have got error. Means it is not correct. So we will go for the second value. This method is called as trial and error method. Now for this, put m is equal to 2 in the given equation. So you will get, if you put m is equal to 2, you will get LHS is equal to, not in given equation, you have to put in LHS, please note, in LHS. So you will get LHS is equal to, LHS is 3m minus 14. So I will get 3 into 2 minus 14. So this is equal to 6 minus 14, that is equal to negative 8. Please note, earlier answer was negative 11. Now we have got negative 8. We are coming near towards the 0. We must get LHS equal to RHS, or we must get 4. We are approaching the 4. This negative 11, negative 8, we are moving towards 4. And instead of taking m is equal to 3, we are approaching very slowly. I will take m is equal to 4 directly. So put m is equal to, here I have got LHS is not equal to RHS. I will complete this first. LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore m is equal to 2 is not a solution. Is not a solution of given equation. Now see, by solving LHS, we have to approach to 4. Here, first value was negative 11, then it is negative 8. We are approaching towards 4, but we are approaching very slowly. So what we do is, we will take a little larger value. I will put m is equal to directly 4. So if you put m is equal to 4 in LHS, put m is equal to 4 in LHS. LHS is equal to 3m minus 14. So I will get 3 into 4 minus 14, that is equal to 12 minus 14, that is equal to negative 2. Please note, we are approaching towards the 4, but we are still approaching very slowly. So we will take some little larger value. Here I have got LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, I can say that m is equal to 4 is not a solution. Of the given equation. Dear friends, we have tried m is equal to 1, we have tried m is equal to 2, we have tried m is equal to 4, but we have not got the equation. We have not got the solution. It means we have to go on doing this repeatedly and check whether it is a solution or not. That's why this method becomes little lengthy method if our mathematical thinking, mathematical reasoning is not proper. So what we have to do is we have to look towards the question properly, and we must be able to think about the answer without solving it. So if the student who is having more reasoning ability can approach the answer very fast, and the person who is having less reasoning ability will take time to approach the answer. So this method depends upon the skill, hence we use some other methods which we are going to study little later. Let us complete this solution. Here we have tried 1, 2 and 4. Now I will try with 5. So put m is equal to 5. Put m is equal to 5 in LHS. I will get LHS is equal to 3m minus 14. That is equal to 3 into 5 minus 14. That is equal to 15 minus 14. That is equal to 1. RHS is 4. So again LHS is not equal to RHS. Not equal to RHS. Hence m is equal to 5 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Is not a solution of given equation. Next, let us try some other value. So put m is equal to 6 in LHS. I will get LHS is equal to, left hand side is equal to 3m minus 14. You get 3 into 6 minus 14. That is equal to 6 3s are 18 minus 14. Answer is 4. RHS is also 4. Please note here. Left hand side is also 4 and right hand side is also 4. So here we have got LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is a solution. M is equal to 6 is a solution. Therefore, M is equal to 6 is a solution of given equation. Given equation is 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So here in this way, by trying different values, we are able to reach the answer. So hence the method is called trial and error method, and m is equal to 6 is the solution of this equation. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4.